On Thursday afternoon at 3 p.m., the Boxnagar Mandal of the BJP organized an exchange of views meeting at Vijaynagar Bazaar under the Boxnagar Assembly constituency with a focus on the upcoming ADC elections. The meeting saw the presence of key party leaders including the chief guest, Tripura BJP General Secretary Bipin Debarma, local MLA Tafazul Hossain and others. As the ADC elections are slated to be held in the state within the next few months, political parties are actively conducting campaigns in tribal-dominated areas. Currently, the political battle for outreach is primarily being fought between Tripura Motha and the ruling BJP party. The meeting saw the presence of key party leaders including the chief guest Tripura Pradesh BJP General Secretary Bipin Debarma, local MLA Tafazul Hossain, Boxnagar Mandal President Anil Chandra Das and Mandal Vice President Mahamaya Debarma along with other district and Mandal level functionaries. Mahamaya Debarma, Janjati Vice President of the Boxnagar Mandal, delivered the welcoming address in which she extended greetings to all present and strongly criticized Tripura Motha on political grounds.
Motha hanya sukun lap urai or motha khalanya sing ancholi party khalanya sun kun lap urai tini na din nuk jago je tini bodol ke rajana hamjagi thango agartala wa tini bodol ke thango kun kamung la khanpana sini tonga kendra bo tonga BJP Tripura bo tonga BJP sing kintu niji mane
Addressing the conference, Pradesh BJP General Secretary Bipin Debarma highlighted the developmental changes in the region. Mr. Debarma launched a strong offensive against the regional party running the ADC.
Development Tamo Jati Goto Oro Tanga Pranay Klanka, Jati Goto Bedabet Sisti Klanka, they all Zagani Borok no Bahai Gaina, Tebo Bees Bosor Piche Niklan Kanka, Abong Sipim culture. Takura Bukurok, Norok Nainaki, Sini BJP Sokar Paimani, Waiposoronka, Matros Hard Bosor Teke, right at Bosorgani. O Zagomo, Sini development, Bishes Kai, and Tripura Jonilogi, Sini Tripasa area. Sini Tripasa area wo bahai ke development of Hanga Mutri quite talk to cycle night. Development bahai ka Protita Sini ADC Hayakaba Tripasa area wo Ekalompo school Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Apon Sate Sate Sini Busapati jo porashona khairina bagai English medium school Apon Sate Sate Sini Sasto Nanyan bagai Ayushman card Mukhyamantri Jan Arogya Yojana, Kisan Samman Nidhi, Abahai Kubangma, Sini Borokno benefit liwinai. Bahai kai, O CPM 25 bosor, Pahap Khaimanno, Punno Khaiman bagai BJP rok daitto nai samuk khaito tabu.
Local MLA Tafazul Hossain also alleged that Tripura Motha is misleading and depriving the tribal people. He urged the attendees to support the BJP government's developing agenda promising. Reported by Musharraf from Sunamura, Chinikhorang.